For effective time management, today I'm going to be sharing with you a simple tool called lists. In tip number 35 today, let me share with you three simple lists. The first list I'm talking about is called the to-do list. I'm sure all of us use a to-do list where we jot down all the items or activities or tasks that we need to do in a day. There are two things which are important. One is that you prioritize and see that you are doing the right things and not leaving them at the cost of unimportant things. The second thing, which is very important, is to carry out a time check. And what does that mean? Time check is a simple process of making sure that your wish list does not have so many things to do that when you total up the time required for all those items, match them with the time available. And if the time available is less than what you require, then knock out a few things that could be either eliminated or postponed for the next day. The second list is something that you will probably not have heard of before, is called the to achieve list. Now, to-do list is okay, but you are not doers, we are achievers. So if I focus on my goals and derive from my monthly goals, my weekly goals, and from the weekly goals, see what tasks I need to do to achieve those goals. So make a list of these items or these tasks which you require to do and put them in your to achieve list. Make a weekly list first and then divide them into according to the importance, according to the days of the week. Once you have done that, every day earmark your best time, your prime time, the time when you are very receptive, your energy is high. That is the time you set for your to achieve items, right? Now these are the items when you switch off your mobiles, you keep all the distractions away and concentrate, because these are your big rocks. These are the most important thing that you need to do. So the second list I'm talking about is to achieve list, but you need to do both, because while I am an achiever and I achieve things, I have to have a to-do list, because there are things which you're not achieving. You're posting a letter or paying a bill or something like that. These are routine matters, so they won't come into the to achieve list. Segregate. Your to achieve list is your main list on which you are focusing, and to do list is something which are the normal errands which you'll do. The third list is probably something that you'll be hearing for the first time, and that is a not to do list. Now, I've been talking about spending half an hour before you sleep in a conversation with yourself to introspect the day and see what went well and what didn't go well. If you now take those items which didn't go well and you decide that this is something I must stop doing, that goes in your not to do list. So next morning when you have your three lists ready and you remind yourself that this is something I'm not going to do, it helps you to keep focused. I hope that was useful. This is your Time Brigadier and you are watching the 51 Time Investment Protocols and Strategies. Do share your comments, as they are an important feed forward for us. Looking forward to seeing you in tip number 36 in the next video.